Hello everyone, my name is Adrian and I'll be showing you how to write the Kazakh language using the traditional Arabic script, also known as Tutejazu or Göne Arab. This course will be divided into several videos and will cover all letters of the Arabic alphabet for Kazakh, as well as other orthographical rules. At the end, we will practice writing some common phrases and names and reading some texts. First, a brief history about the script itself. Arabic as a writing system was introduced in the Central Asian region in the 11th century, and the Turkic peoples used the original set of letters as is used now in Arab countries. However, this was not very efficient for transcribing Kazakh, a Turkic language, and Ahmet Baytursun made significant modifications that allowed for a more accurate display of Kazakh. This script is currently used as the official orthography for Kazakh in various ethnic Kazakh territories in the People's Republic of China. Here is the complete list of unique letters in the Kazakh Arabic alphabet. There are 30 in total, 29 representing sounds, and 1 mark, the Hamza dot or Hamza nükte. A special combined form is notable. Lam and alif creates a unique shape orthographically, but it isn't a separate letter. Each letter has its name derived from Arabic. For example, the sound r is represented by ayn and is called ghain. In this course, we will not focus much time on these names, but they will be written on the top right corner of each letter slide for your disposal. For those who may not be familiar with the Arabic script, it is written from right to left and top to bottom. This may take some time to get used to if you've only ever read left to right scripts like Latin or Cyrillic, but with time it will become second nature. With the exception of the Hamza mark, each letter has 2 or 4 forms. Those with 2 have an isolated or final form. This means it can connect with the previous letter but not the preceding one. Those with 4 have an isolated initial, medial, and final form. This isolated form is used when the letter is stranded on either side, either due to a lack of letters or because the neighboring letters cannot connect. We can see this in the sky blue Z, the magenta A, and the green Q in Kazakh. The initial form is used when there is connection to the next letter but not the previous one. We can see this in the blue Q in Kazakh and the orange T in Tile. The medial form is used when there are connections on either side, such as the gray I and yellow L in Tile. The final form is used when there is a connection to the previous letter but not the next one, such as the red A in Kazakh and the maroon I in Tile. All words written in the Arabic script are by default hard, or in other words contain back vowels, A, O, U, and E. The Hamza mark is used to mark front or soft vowels in certain words, A, U, and I. Notice the pair of A and A, bar and bar. The Hamza dot in red is placed in front or on the right of the word bar because A is a front vowel. More detailed rules about the usage of the Hamza dot can be found in part 8 of this series. Also, take note of the Arabic letter in blue, which represents the sound B. We will be using this in the next lesson. In the next lesson, we will start writing the vowels. Good luck, and I will see you soon.